Hello YouTube and welcome to Altcoin Universe and a very happy new year. This is your friend Andy and today we're going to share with you some staggering predictions for Bitcoin and other coins for 2022 made by some of the most knowledgeable investors in the market. So let's get started. Bitcoin, moon again? Well, wasn't 2021 sort of a moon launch? I think so. It hit all-time highs despite all the legends saying it's a worthless seashell for tech dorks. Wrong. Hey, it's not $68,000, but it'll get there again, right? Bitcoin will reach at least $200,000 by 2025, says Pacer UG founder and CTO Nils Gregersen in Hamburg, Germany. But I'm pretty sure we will see it fall to around $20,000 beforehand. Yikes! Okay, no panicking, I'll buy it. What about the rest of the cryptocurrency space? There's more to this market today than Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency investing is the new stock market. Everybody knows that. This year was a very interesting one for crypto. We saw trends coming and going very fast with coins hyped up by influencers like Elon Musk, who gave Dogecoin a lift for a short time before it returned to being a dud coin. There's a lot of pump in the market at the moment, says Gregersen. I think in 2022 we are going to see a little cool down in the market. Only the stronger projects will survive. For the meme coins and other shady projects, I think the air gets a little thinner for them, he says, adding that regulations will have an impact on DeFi cryptocurrencies within varying degrees of positives and negatives. DeFi will still be a thing in 2022. We have only seen the tip of the iceberg in terms of DeFi, says Gregersen. There are many new products to come that we can't even imagine today. Some DeFi trends expected next year. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAO, that offer unregulated decentralized finance and new regulated centralized decentralized finance. Call it the yin and yang of DeFi, I guess. CeDeFi will offer less complex financial services based on DeFi, but will hold hands with the regulators of financial markets and banking. In general, this might be the type of DeFi that Jim Cramer of Mad Money can get behind. Ava Labs president John Wu also predicts DeFi will have a good 2022, but he seems to like the GameFi space even more. DeFi will continue to lead in terms of total value in the ecosystem, but blockchain gaming will introduce more people to crypto because the learning and adoption curves in gaming are notably smaller than that of DeFi, he says. Yeah, I'm still playing video games on an Xbox One. I don't know about blockchain games. I've never stared into the eyes of any blockchain yet. I'll have to do that this year. Future game, GameFi and entertainment digital technology, teenager having fun, play VR virtual reality glasses, sport game, metaverse, NFT game, 3D cyberspace, futuristic neon colorful background. Gaming growth is outpacing new DeFi activity. Just wait until major developers and studios get involved, Wu says. GameFi is considered a subset of the metaverse, as most game developers in the blockchain worlds are building their ecosystem to be more linked to the virtual world. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are also an offshoot here, because die-hard gamers will spend money for digital art, let alone weapons and other gear, or fake land associated with the game. The metaverse is in its infancy, so this gives crypto investors a chance to get in on the ground floor of some of the newcomers. I own Decentraland Mana as my metaverse play. Getting aboard the metaverse train today with all the connections to other aspects of blockchain evolution will be synonymous to getting aboard the Bitcoin train in its earliest days, says Sven Wenzel, co-founder of Castello Coin, which operates in the digital art space. An early investment in a metaverse token can amount to so much more in the longer term, he says, in comparing metaverse plays with the likes of Bitcoin. Castello Coin and Decentraland all run on Ethereum blockchain. It's still the number 2 cryptocurrency investment after Bitcoin. How will Ethereum look in 2022? I would invest in Ethereum. I would invest $200 every month in Ethereum, says Gregersen. Overall, market participants expect more people opening accounts with exchanges. That's a long-term bullish signal for cryptocurrencies. I predict some of the more old-school platforms, think E-Trade, will allow for investment in at least Bitcoin and Ethereum next year. That should get more people involved, especially those who can't be bothered opening up a Gemini account, for instance. The resilience of cryptocurrencies is expected to be highlighted again this coming year. We have all witnessed how our investments can snap back rather quickly from a 10% or 20% loss. In the past, this would have triggered a sustained downturn and crypto winter. But better risk management of the professional investor side means the market just has a snow day instead. People will be buying the dip in 2022. I know I will. After a 23-day battle with COVID, I'm ready to put some money to work in my Coinbase account again. I'll probably load up on some Bitcoin after these interviews. I might have to check in on Mana. Besides investing ideas, Wu from Ava Labs thinks more traditional brand name corporations will enter the space in 2022. Look at the list of major media companies, sports leagues, or content creators participating in digital assets at the start of the year versus the end of it, he says. Deloitte and MasterCard recently linked up with Ava Labs to explore their Avalanche blockchain and its smart contract-enabled applications. This year was a true 0 to 60 growth in new blockchain protocols like Solana or Sol and Polkadot DOT. Many Fortune 500 companies used this year to explore what NFTs and digital assets can do for them. Will be 2 feet in 12 months' time, Wu predicts. They've seen their piece succeed, and so the risk of failure is low enough to make a move, he says. If you watched the World Series, you saw the FTX crypto exchange logo on the jerseys of the umpires. Yes, you can buy and sell NFTs on FTX. So 2021 was the year of NFTs for sure. What will 2022 be the year of, if you had to pick one? More new blockchain projects, especially for businesses, say Wu. I think you will see enterprise blockchain pilots move into the life stages a lot quicker than people expect, he says. What do you think will happen to Bitcoin? Will it reach 200,000? Let us know in the comment section below if you think it will boom or if it will collapse. Make sure to subscribe to Altcoin Universe for the latest news from the crypto world. This is your friend Andy signing off.